Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to go over how to remove duplicates in Excel. When you're working with a large set of data, it can be a very tedious and manual task to manually remove every single duplicate in your Excel data book. So Excel has a very handy feature that helps you remove these duplicates with a simple click of a button. We can also go over how to spot duplicates and highlight these so that you can see them and easily determine if they're needed or not needed. The one thing about this feature is that they have to be exact duplicates. If there's an extra space or an extra number or anything that makes it not the same, it will not be removed. So let's get started with this. Let's select our data. From here, let's say I want to remove any duplicates that are showing up. Maybe we've entered it too many times or have downloaded the file too many times. Let's go into our Data tab, remove duplicates under Data Tools, and here a pop-up box will show up. I want to remove duplicates from all columns, so name, department, and email. Make sure when you're selecting your data, you are also selecting your header. And if you are doing so, make sure you also select My Data Has Headers. Once you're done, you can hit OK. Every single duplicate in this data set has been removed. It's showing me that 11 duplicates were found and removed, and only 9 unique values remain. Hit OK, and with that, it's simply done. Now let's go back. Let's say we're only looking at one particular column and we're not looking at the entire data set. All I have to do is hit that one column. Want to expand the selection, all I have to do is continue with the current selection. Remove duplicates, and once that's done, make sure that we're selecting the headers. We're only looking at the name column. Hit OK. 10 unique values remain. Hit OK. And only the unique values in my name column are there. The rest of the columns have remained unchanged as I didn't want to remove the duplicates from those columns. But now let's say we want to go about and just highlight the duplicates that we have and not remove them completely from our data. So let's say with column B and C, I want to know which ones are duplicated. Let's select these columns, go to our Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, and Duplicate Values. Here we will be able to highlight cells that have a duplicate value, as well as cells that have a unique value. For the purposes of this, let's stick with duplicate. You can change the way that the format is showing up. I will choose the yellow fill, hit OK. From here, we can see that only 2 values are completely unique. Here in our data set, we can see that there's multiple sets of duplicates. However, if we wanted to keep only a single set of data, we have to remove the ones that are duplicating it. Those are also all highlighted. So if we want to keep only one set of each of these emails, all you have to do is delete the ones that are duplicated. So you can go about by manually either removing these rows, or again, come up here, Data, Remove Duplicates, select all, Data Has Headers, hit these columns, press OK. With that, we've been able to identify unique name values and email values. Department values are still being repeated, but that's because multiple people are sitting within the same department. Just like that, you've been able to remove all the duplicates in your workbook with a simple click of a button. If you've liked this video and you thought it was helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Follow for more content. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.